I've been waiting so long for this, one click get one lead. Hi, since the day I started my online business, I always being told that the money is on the list. However, sometimes it wasn't easy to capture even a single lead into your list, right? That's why I always dreamed of a tool that could help me generate leads faster and easier, with less effort. Imagine how amazing it could be if you didn't have to stress about creating leads. All you need to do is just doing few simple clicks on your mouse, and the leads will be generated on autopilot. Well, for a long time, that's nothing but a dream for me until today. Finally, my dream literally comes true. A few days back, I just discovered that there's a brand spanking new software that could help you generate a huge amount of leads within a few simple clicks on your mouse. This software is called Click and Leads. Find the link in video description. With this software, you don't need to 1. Run a paid promotion, because this software will give you a free viral traffic, and you know viral traffic is better than paid traffic. 2. Make a lot of offer to your audiences. You can capture leads by simply sharing an article on your Facebook page. 3. Build a landing page. The leads will be captured without sending them to a landing page or squeeze page first. You can save money and time which usually invested to build a landing page. 4. And more interestingly, you don't need to ask people to opt in your list. Once people clicked on your offer, content you share, it's guaranteed that you will get their email instantly. See? It works like a magic. Fortunately, I was lucky enough to be able to get this software with an incredible discount. Although the price will going up soon, I guess it's not too late for you to get this software at this price. So if you have the same dream as mine, then you should click the link below to make your dream comes true. T3CH Express, I was so excited and couldn't wait to play around with this amazing tool. So that's it for today. I hope you don't miss this game-changing opportunity for your business. Talk soon, subscribe for more exciting products that works.